What are you doing? Oh my god, what an idiot.
What is happening? Gwen on the West End says white go-go boots. What year was this? What grade were you? That's what I want to know. When you were rocking white go-go boots.
What a fucking asshole.
Did you wear like a little skirts, right? You would wear them with? Oh.
Great Canadian mattress sale at the Brick Mattress Store in the most Canadian way possible. By
that is not legal
58% off
at
our
all.
Sealy Posturepedic sets. That's a big fun. For details, offer ends December 31st, 2018.
Before you can influence life in Alberta, we need you to do two monumentally important things. One, when your doorbell rings between September 8th and 30th, please open your door. Two, say hello to the
There, 178th and 107th, right in the intersection. Southbound, you are forced to exit. Yellowhead eastbound, we've got a collision just before St. Albert Trail. And 82nd Street and 180th Ave. Oh. Oh, beg Shirelli sent me a text and said, Rachel, are you giving
You're
away
not even
tickets
properly
to
in
this
the
show
lane.
because no one is buying them? Here's
Now radio.
I'm surprised I was here on time, to be quite honest, because I had to pick up a package. Has this ever happened
I think
to you?
that person made a last-second
You get a
decision to
slip,
exit to the left.
and then you missed it, and then they send it to some bizarre location. Really, honestly. Yeah.
Hey, this is why we like the Now family, though. They're here to make you feel better. You're not alone in this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You tell us what mistake you made today. Oh, God. That's how this one starts. Oh. 12 school. Class changes are always extremely crowded. That's when everybody, changes, right? Like in the hallways?
Yeah, you're trying to just book it to your next class, so you don't want to be late.
Cool. Now the whole world knows that you have a tiny dick.
Barbecue sauce, but does it because the husband said it's so good.
Oh, that's miscommunication.
25 years of miscommunication.
Well, you don't need to go that
You're
fast
gonna
around the
get this
corner.
Chloe messaged in saying, not about a partner, but about...
Why are you so far past the stop line? Are you guys really parked there? Oh, you're just sitting there on your phone, of course. So I think that person was making decisions. the hell? He's cutting through the...
You've got a hold of me. Don't even know your power. I stand 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you.
Nice blink for old man.
Oh.
Okay, well, at least you apologize.
I'm saying
$6,500 to say you keep this, sell it. Whatever
Oh
you
my
make,
god,
put
seriously?
it back in the community. Free, low-cost job training and plain services. Goodwill, right? People being generous, it's the best thing. Best thing. And so we're talking about what is the most expensive thing you've given away or had someone give to you? $10,000 for free because of one little dot that you can only see when you get super close. We were in shock.
Yeah, you might want to get your right brake light fixed because I can't tell if you're signaling or not.
from the wreck we made, then only for a minute.
Yeah, that's a red light from the right there.
This just don't feel right to me.
What the hell was that?
It's just the tears. I was like, oh my god, I'm stupid. My little pony's stupid. Why are we all so
That was
stupid?
not a stop
And
there, guys.
I needed to ditch the lunch kit, right? So I smashed it on a piece of rebar on my way home so that my mom could buy me a new lunch kit. So that's my question for you. What
You
did
two
break
behind
on
me.
purpose?
Nice stop.
Euclid says my headgear. Looking back at that, but that was, you know, when you're a kid, still finding yourself. Melissa in Bruderheim says when I was 5 years old, I had this tall porcelain doll.
Oh
my
my
mom
god,
told me I wasn't
you
allowed
are
to
a
play
special
with it.
kind of stupid.
Right? Like, why'd you put it in my...
See our selection, or just swing by for a nap. Some exclusions apply. See you at one of our 5 brick mattress stores across Edmonton and surrounding area.
Are you on the road to more rewards? You are now that you can earn PC Optimum points at Esso and mobile stations across Canada. Learn more at PC.
How to crawl, and he's stumbling, and he's falling down a bit. That's the Henny eastbound from 184
Really?
to Campbell. You now promise is 50.
You're going like at least 70 in the 60 zone.
2, 3, now radio.
And I get so bad, can you better? Gotta be wrong before it's right. Every happy phase engraved in my mind. Gotta be wrong before it's right.
What are you even doing? Why are you reversing?
Engraved in my mind. I've always been a go-getter. More than I want to admit, but I can't lie to myself. An excuse to lie awake. Now the monsters are the ones that I have to face. No band-aids for the growing pains. Keep writing.
And now you couldn't even stay in your lane in front of me.
No band-aids.
An accident in the right-hand lane. Also Yellowhead eastbound, collision between 82nd and Fort Road, and heading eastbound. We are
You can't
crawling
change lanes over a solid line.
from
All of you people.
184 to Campbell. It's slow going. And Mike, the scent that lingered, because when I walked in today, I could still smell.
Yeah, cut off up there.
goat scent.
Studio goes.
They peed, by the way.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
They're on you now. watching you closely at the end of summer carnival.
If you really want to have tea, I have really nice china. You can have action.
Last second decision? Up in front of me earlier? Where the hell are you going, police officer? Where the hell are you going? I don't know why you're trying to cut across too early. You should have just gone behind me. Yeah, you turned after your green arrow.
Champions, where opposing teams hate to play because they know where they stand here. They don't
Wow,
stand a chance.
did you really need to change lanes that closely?
Family owned and operated for 43 years.
Once upon a time, there was a fairy
another
tale that all the
coast
people in
lane change.
Canada had been told to believe, and that was...
I was letting you go. What was that for? Yeah, get on the sidewalk.
Come back.